Democratic Republic of Congo has received its very first shipment of Mpox vaccines, a crucial step in combating an outbreak that has affected the country and prompted the World Health Organization to declare a global health emergency last month with a population of around 100 million. The Congo is currently at the center of the outbreak, and health officials are now also counting on the vaccines to help bring it under control. With us on the broadcast is my colleague Shubh Rana to share more details. Shubh, can you take our viewers through what is happening in Democratic Republic of Congo? It's received its very first set of Mpox vaccines.
Yes, definitely, Pia. With the population of around 100 million, the Congo is currently at the center of the outbreak because Congo receives its first Mpox vaccine shipment to combat outbreak, and definitely the Democratic Republic of Congo has received its first shipment of Mpox vaccines, a crucial step which is in combating an outbreak that has affected the country and prompted the World Health Organization to declare a global health emergency last month. But with the population of 100 million, the Congo is currently at the center of outbreak, where the health officials are counting on the vaccines to help to bring its help under the control. But Mpox has been reported in at least 13 African countries, according to August 7 update from the African countries for disease control and prevention. This have been speaking because while speaking to Congo's health minister Samuel Roger Kamba, he has said that the newly arrived vaccine had already proved its worth in the US and now would be rolled out to adults in the Congo. And he have also added that we know which provinces are heavily affected, notably the south. Also, the idea is to contain the virus as quickly as reported, because Congo is suffering from Mpox, and delivery of vaccines at this time is very crucial for the Democratic Republic of Congo, because having a population of millions in the country where there is huge adversity and they have been affected due to Mpox. So the long-awaited Mpox vaccines arrive there, which is definitely, because they have received the first shipment of Mpox vaccines, which aims to start vaccinations in the October, but due to logistical challenge, it needs to be kept cold. Get back to you, Pia.
In fact, Shubh, we've been seeing a rise in a spate of cases in Congo in particular. The vaccines, of course, they're from a Danish pharmaceutical laboratory called the Bavarian Nordic, and is the only vaccine approved in both United States and in Europe as well. Trials are being conducted for the potential use for adults in particular. But meanwhile, could you also shed a little light on how many cases of Mpox are there in DR Congo, and as well as what is exactly the statistic of the doses that have been delivered?
Yes, definitely, Pia, because there have been cases of, and if I quote the statement of East Africa, because East Africa has been struggling due to Mpox as Mpox spreads amid vaccine delays, and there we have been seeing visuals which have been coming from people have been saying that we are afraid of this disease, and even Thailand confirms Asia's first known case of the new Mpox strain. But if we talk about the Democratic Republic of Congo, then a plane carrying vaccine doses donated by the European Union touched down in the capital Kinshasa around 1 p.m. That's where Congo's health minister Samuel Roger Kamba have told that the newly arrived vaccine has already proved its worth in the US and would be rolled down to adults in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. But also, since the vaccines come from the Danish pharmaceutical laboratory, it is the only vaccine which have been approved in Europe, as said by UPIA, and also the US, and in the US states also, and is only intended for adults. Trials are currently being conducted, Pia, for this potential use on children over the age of 12. But the first delivery amounts to 99,000 doses, and further delivery on Saturday will take to the total of 2 lakh doses. This have been said by the head of EU Health Emergency Preparedness and Response Authority. But overall, Europe aims to deliver 5,66,000 doses to wherever needs are greatest in the region. And it shows the solidarity between the European Union and Africa, and also the capacity to reach quickly. Yes, and basically there are 17,500 monkey mpox cases and 629 deaths have been reported in the Democratic Republic of Congo since the start of the year, according to WHO. Pia.
Indeed, 19,710 suspected cases, out of which 5,041 were confirmed and 655 were fatal. As Shubh has just informed, 99,000 doses have been delivered. And meanwhile, they're also looking at delivering more doses, which will take up the total number to 2 lakh. Meanwhile, Europe, of course, sending in these doses of the Mpox vaccine, and overall 5 lakh, I beg your pardon, 66,000 doses are to be delivered.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.